Hi, welcome to Bedtime Stories. My name is Nicole, and I'm your host. I appreciate your company tonight. The story tonight is The Tale of Poseidon, the Sea King. If you enjoyed my story, please remember to bookmark, like, and follow. Your support is appreciated. In the depths of the underwater realm lies a mysterious and majestic crystal castle, the abode of Poseidon, the king of the sea. Poseidon, with his flowing blue hair and deep blue eyes, rules over all marine creatures. His powers extend beyond the ordinary, commanding the waves and controlling the storms. He is one of the most enigmatic beings in the ocean. Poseidon, the guardian deity of the sea, protects the beings that inhabit the vast ocean. One day, during a tranquil night, as he strolled through the grand halls of his crystal castle, a mysterious force resonated within his soul. A premonition warned him that the ocean was on the brink of an unprecedented crisis. Determined to uncover the impending threat, Poseidon embarked on an underwater journey. He traversed the abyssal trenches, ventured through vibrant coral reefs, and reached the ocean's edge. There, he discovered an unfamiliar dark force corroding the ocean's beauty. An evil sea goddess named the Abyssal Queen unleashed this malevolent force. Her goal was to dominate the entire ocean, plunging it into an eternal abyss of darkness. Poseidon recognized the immense danger she posed and resolved to thwart her nefarious plan. Poseidon rallied the mightiest creatures of the ocean, including colossal blue whales, lightning-fast electric eels, and agile dolphins. Together, they formed a formidable army, prepared to confront the evil forces of the Abyssal Queen. In the fierce underwater battle, Poseidon showcased boundless strength and wisdom. He manipulated the waves, summoned storms, and engaged in an intense confrontation with the Abyssal Queen. The underwater world trembled as torrents surged and thunder roared in this mysterious clash. Ultimately, Poseidon, with unwavering courage and deep affection for the ocean, defeated the Abyssal Queen. He pierced her dark heart with the trident of power, banishing the malevolent force from the ocean completely. Having triumphed over the Abyssal Queen, Poseidon restored balance to the ocean, revitalizing the underwater world. Cheers echoed through the crystal castle as the ocean's inhabitants expressed their reverence and gratitude towards Poseidon. Poseidon became the true guardian deity of the sea, and his heroic deeds echoed in every corner of the ocean. The crystal castle sparkled tranquility in the moonlight, symbolizing the underwater realm. The legend of Poseidon will forever endure, infusing the ocean with eternal mystery and power.